Thank you for joining Coplink. All new users will receive an automated email from our support system. Check your spam folder to make sure you don't miss it. Once you open the message, you'll notice your username set to your email address, a link that you can use to set a bookmark in your browser, and a one-time activation link to set up your account. To create a valid password, you'll need to adhere to the FBI CJIS security policy basic password standards. Each requirement listed here is enforced, and users will need to change their password at least every 90 days. This process will be covered shortly. Once you've chosen and entered a valid password, the system will direct you to Forensic Logic's Terms of Service. You can read the document here or download it for future reference. When you're ready, click Accept to move on. The next step will be to configure a multi-factor authentication delivery mechanism. Users can select delivery of numeric tokens by traditional text message or voice call, a dedicated iOS or Android app, or to a Windows, Mac, or Linux desktop application. In this case, we'll set up an SMS text message to go to a cell phone. Enter the 10-digit phone number and click the SMS text message link. Once the verification code is delivered to your phone, simply enter it into the code field and click Validate. Once validated, click OK to continue. If you see a menu of available applications, click Coplink Search to access the search engine. When the Coplink search bar appears, the system is ready and your name should now show at the top of the screen. Common problems occur when users accidentally click their login ID from the welcome email, which generally opens a new email message. Or many users mistakenly click the bookmark link prior to the account activation and setup process we just reviewed. In this case, any attempt to log on to the system will result in an error message stating that your login attempt was not successful. Users must click the activation link in the welcome email. Occasionally, users will attempt to access the system appropriately from the welcome email and receive a server unavailable error. There are a couple of reasons this can happen. First, if you're using a VPN or mobile device management solution, it must be running and connected to your network. Second, your agency's network must be configured to connect to Coplink Search. If it's not, you can email support or call the 800 number listed in the message for further assistance. If you have forgotten or need to reset your password, you can always click the link on the login screen. This creates a new field to enter your email address and click Continue. This process triggers a password reset email to be sent to your inbox. Again, check your spam folder if it's not there. As before, the automated support system will provide an active link to go in and reset your password. Follow the CJIS requirements to create a new password and hit Submit. To use the multi-factor authentication set up earlier, use the link to send a token to your phone and then simply enter the token and click Authenticate to proceed. In this section, we covered the welcome email, how to create a CJIS compliant password and log on for the first time. We reviewed and accepted the Forensic Logic Terms of Service and set up multi-factor authentication. We went over several common logon issues, and finally, we learned how to reset a forgotten password.